sa kabilang video. Wrong event tayo guys. Sa breastfeeding tayo mapupunta. Oh, let's... Hi guys, so it's day 1 ng Echelon. Papunta pala kami, time check. It's 9:32. So medyo late na kami actually kasi yung call time talaga is 8 AM for the registration ng mga startups and mga isa-set up doon. So tignan natin kung paano magiging sistema natin pagdating ng SMX. Kita excited. Yeah, and we are here sa SMX.
I think we already printed your with your team.
Magkakasama na.
Yes.
At ito na nga. Wrong event tayo guys. Sa breastfeeding tayo mapupunta. Oh, let's... Yeah, so for the AI agents, so from the app, we communicate with Google ADK or the Agent Development Kit. So it's an A2A or agent-to-agent protocol ni Google. We use that to establish or build very specialized agents for different parts of finance. Kasi diba sa finance, meron tayong debt management, may wealth management, may insurances, investments, and marami pang iba. May real estate debt. So, hindi kaya ng iisang AI lang to handle all of those inquiries. So, we build different specialist AI agents to help you manage your finance in all aspects, end-to-end, 360 view. Basically, it's a chat interface. Ready namin siya din. Pero it will be a chat interface.
Ito parang coach talaga.
Yeah, it's really a coach, not just a budgeting app. Hey guys, time check tayo. Currently it's 2:10 PM and ubos na yung boses ko kasi namin kinausap na bumisita dito sa booth ng Kuripot Coach. As you can see, hanggang ngayon may mga kausap pa rin na si Jolo. And mostly yung perception kay Casey, sobrang positive lahat ng feedback. And we actually have a lot of business cards here na gusto makipag-partner. And companies that wants to subsidize their employees para as part ng employee program nila or employee benefits. So pwedeng kasi si Casey yung maging financial program sa mga companies nila. And may mga nakausap din kami ng mga venture capitalist, mga angel investor para sa fundraising na ginagawa natin for Kuripot Coach. And ayun nga, until now, ongoing pa rin at 2 PM. Hanggang 5 PM pa kami dito, so I'll save my voice na. Kasi wala kaming tubig, that's a mistake. So yeah, I'll see you later na lang. So time check tayo guys, it's 2:44 PM. And ayun, sobrang pagod na tayo, wala tayong boses. Buti medyo napapahinga tayo ngayon, kumonti yung tao sa booth. And yun talaga, part ng sacrifices natin, itong mga gantong maraming talks, maraming kausap. Pero actually sobrang valuable ng mga insights na nakuha natin. And also we get to talk with people na interested din talaga dun sa app. And aside sa insights, of course, we establish new connections, potential partnerships, and especially na-validate natin yung good branding ni Kuripot Coach kasi napapatingin daw talaga sila. And tumatak daw talaga sa kanila yung name na Kuripot Coach and yung budol to goal. And isa pa, etong Kuripot is the new sexy. So I'm super happy about that. And yeah, magstay pa tayo dito hanggang 5 PM siguro. Hopefully may mga makausap pa tayo until the last minute. Hi guys, time check ulit and it's 3 PM. Sorry na putol tayo kanina. But as I was saying, before kami pumunta dito actually, nag-prepare na kami kahapon, September 1, kung paano kami mag-booth dito sa Echelon. Like, things like ano yung elevator pitch namin, nag-skit pa kami. Pero ito, panoorin nyo na lang mga ginawa namin kahapon. Ayan, so ngayon pag-usapan natin yung yung para bukas, ready tayo dun sa booth sa Echelon. Dun sa elevator pitch natin, kunyari may dumapit na investor or visitor or kapwa nating founder, ano yung sasabihin mo? Ano yung elevator pitch ni Casey for you?
Usually, may experience mo to if may work ka. Marami kang sahod, pero napansin mo parang wala kang ipon. Sabihin natin, sumasahod ka monthly, nabibigyan mo yung family mo, nasustain mo yung family mo, nakakapagbigay ka ng insurance. Pero merong napapansin mo na parang wala kang naiipon. Marami kang give, pero wala kang save. Now, paano dito papasok si Casey? Si Casey, siya na mismo yung maging private financial advisor mo. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-hire ng tao, hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng magaling, kasi si Casey andyan na. Now, let's say, gusto ko mag-ipon ng Lamborghini. Paano ako magsisave? Di ba? Paano? Hindi ko alam eh. Now, si Casey yung mag-handle nun sa'yo. Like, imagine that, yung maghanap ka ba ng tao, kailangan i-profile mo pa kung magaling siya or hindi. Now, si Casey is all-in-one siya. If need mo mag-invest, need mo mag-save, si Casey can handle that.
Ikaw, Jolo. Ayan, simulate natin ngayon yung SMX, yung booth natin bukas. Kunwari ako yung yung masa. Ako yung masa. May tawag doon eh. Tambayan. Ako yung tambayan. Uy! Ano yan?
Hi, hello. I'm Jolo. So, it's our product. Pero before ko i-introduce sa'yo, meron ka bang purchase before na hindi mo talaga siya nagamit, ang pinagsisihan mo na binili mo?
Impulsive. Hindi pinag-isipan. Alam ko na, iPad. Kasi ginagamit ko lang siya ngayon for Netflix. Sabi ko for productivity, pero hindi ko talaga siya nagagamit.
Okay, gets naman. Kasi talagang meron tayong mga impulse. Kahit naman ako meron ako impulsive buys na parang later on, nagsisihan ko rin kung nabinili ko sila. And that's why kaming mga magkaka-team dito, yun yung mga problema rin namin. We share the same feeling, sentiments with you na, meron din kami impulsive buys before. Tapos, syempre, mukhang pera din kasi kami. Kaya yung product namin, mukhang gawa ng mukhang pera para sa mga mukhang pera. Kaya actually, we came up with Kuripot Coach para matingnan namin, matrack namin yung mga finances namin, tsaka kung ano yung gusto namin na goals along the way. Okay, so basically, it's a personal finance app. I'm sure na try mo na siguro mag-search before kung paano magbabudget ng maayos. Pero this one is really different from the apps that you tried before kasi kami, we believe na personal finance should be 100% finance. Personal, 100%. Actually, we don't see ourselves as a budgeting app talaga kasi we are a finance coach. Parang kasi kung budgeting app, parang pwede mo na yan gawin sa Google Sheets eh. Kaya mo yan, I'm sure na try mo na rin siya i-log yung mga notes mo kahit sa paper man or sa ibang app. Pero Casey, what makes him different, coaching talaga siya for your personal finance. It helps you build your portfolio, it expands your, parang kung pwede mong posibleng investments na options mo, kung paano ka gagastos. Hindi lang siya yung lalagan mo siya ng expenses. It's really more than that. He also sees your activity at based on personalized siyang gumagawa ng mga saving tips for you.
Ganito kasi, every single one of us is special or is a special case. Especially, di ba, may kanya-kanya tayong buhay. Sa kanya-kanyang buhay, may kanya-kanya tayong finances, may kanya-kanyang struggles. Minsan, sapat lang, minsan may sobra, madalas, kulang. And that's the harsh reality na there's no such thing as parang generic or general na kailangang advice or pwede mo makuha sa mga panonood lang ng YouTube, sa mga financial gurus, sa pagbabasa ng libro. There's already too much information in the internet na baka na-consume mo na, pero ang problema, hindi mo pa nararamdaman yung pinaka-transformation. And ang problem kasi nun, there's too much information, nahihirapan tayong i-apply sa sarili natin. Kasi wala tayong immediate na makausap, wala tayong immediate na mapagtanungan na ano ba talagang gagawin ko? I'm too lost dito sa financial struggles ko. So, I believe that finance should be hyper-personal and hyper-customized para mag-fit talaga para sa'yo. Dapat yung financial advisor mo, alam niya yung pasikot-sikot ng finances mo. Yung mga income, expenses, ano yung goals mo, ano yung totoong kailangan mo. And I think that's how and why we are building KC or Kuripot Coach. Kasi it can track your finance, it knows your patterns in spending, it knows your history, it knows your goals, your income, lahat yan magkakaroon siya ng data. And with those data, pwede kang may mapagtanungan, pwede kang may malapitan kung ano bang kailangan mong gawin. Hindi ka na malulos. And aside from being a coach, it's actually a partner na pwede mong mismong tusa-tusa na ito kasi yung pera ko ngayon, may papasok akong pera, magkano yung kailangan kong ilaan para sa specific expense, para sa specific insurance or investment. Siya na bahala lahat doon. All you need to do, kausapin mo si Casey. So, yun, para makausap mo si Casey, join our waitlist. Okay guys, time check. It's 3:57 p.m. So 1 hour to go bago tayo matapos dito sa Echelon, and look at this. Dami natin na-collect na business cards. So lahat yan tatawagan natin before launching the beta for Kuripot Coach. Or actually, some of these, especially yung mga investors, lalapitan natin yan before our beta. So, yan. Yun yung one of the reasons kaya tayo nandito. First is for investment. Second is to connect with companies, with cooperatives, with organizations na, they can subsidize their employees, their communities to subscribe to KC for their constituents, for the members, for their employees. And if you have a company and you want KC to be part of your employee benefits, like for transformational financial program, ayan, you can hit me up at theo@thehowdystudios.com. So yun, 1 hour na lang. Hopefully may mga makausap pa tayo. May bumisita pa sabot natin and I'll see you later. So, tapos na tayo mag-huddle with the Kuripot Coach team.
General stuff. Yan, maraming nagagandahan dun sa premise ng app, dun sa product. Marami rin nagtatanong actually dun sa linked yung bank account, so hindi na nila kailangan i-manually enter it.
Ang sagot ko dyan, what's stopping us is the current infrastructure ng Philippines when it comes to API management. Merong pinush si BSP, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, na open finance. Pero ang problema, hindi siya strict na kailangan nyo gawin to, max. Optional siya. And yung mga ngayon, yung mga may hawak or yung mga companies themselves, hindi talaga siya pinupush. Hindi siya ina-apply. So wala tayong access talaga to read data from banks para malink. May isang option, baka may aggregator service, I think meron. Parang na-research ko yun once. Tapos read only. Read only lang talaga. Hindi niya kayang mag-transact itself. So puro balance reading lang.
Tapos continuation dun. So, hindi ko sinasagot yung business model kasi wala akong idea pa. Wala pang finalization. Pero yung pricing is nilalaro ko either 299 or 399. Most of yung mga may trabaho na is 399. Okay na daw yun. Most of the student na intern or fresh grad is 299. Oo. Kasi nakikita naman nila yung value.
We talked about general insights sa Kuripot Coach, ano yung mga feedback, and what got us thinking sa mga features, sa business model, and mga realizations namin personally sa pakikipag-usap sa mga tao na bumisita dun sa booth namin. So there's a lot of learnings, kaya sobrang sulit din talaga yung ginawa naming pag-booth dun sa Echelon. Of course, we got a lot of connections, new networks, and potential partners. And yun yung ginagawa ko ngayon to cap off the night. I'm creating a database spreadsheet for all the potential partners, the potential investors na nakuha namin from the business cards, from the LinkedIn connections. So lahat yun, nililista ko sa isang spreadsheet para madaling mag-cold email, madaling balikan, and madaling mag-reach out kapag kailangan namin yung tulong nila or kailangan na nating mag-reconnect with them. So in-organize ko lang para rin pag nawala itong mga business card, madaling ko nang mabalikan yung mga yan. So yeah, spending the night with these and storing their insights as well as spreadsheet para hindi ko makalimutan. So yeah, yun yung experience namin for Echelon. I think I would be vlogging the day 2 for tomorrow. Yeah, so I think a lot has happened na for this day, and nakita nyo naman ano yung experience kapag nagbo-booth ka sa mga tech conferences, and ano yung mga dapat i-expect nyo, ano yung mga pwede nyo matutunan, ano yung mga pwede nyo makuha. So yeah, yun lang guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!